What's your favorite Christmas side dish?
It depends on who I'm cooking for. I don't mean that to be flip. For anyone who cooks for a living, really what you want to see is when a child opens a present that they really love, you know, like that's the factor you're going for when people take a bite of anything. You want to see that, oh my God, that's delicious. So it depends. You know, tonight, my family's favorite dish on Christmas Eve is my Grandpa Emmanuel's stuffed artichokes. It's a lot of anchovies in the breadcrumbs, so it's super salty and yummy. And lots of cheese and parsley and pepper and a little mint. And they look like giant stars because we leave the leaves long and pointy, and they just open up like they're huge. They're bigger than my head, which is saying something because I got a big melon. And then on Christmas Day, we usually have a pasta, but this year we're gonna do prime rib and popovers and all the trimmings, so stuffed mushrooms, the popovers, green beans with shallot, a little horseradish sauce and au jus to pass with the rib. So it really just depends on the day and who you're serving, kind of. Yeah.
Thank you.